Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Hope you had a great week, and I hope you have a great weekend. We got a family party we're going to later, which means I get family to watch my kids, so I'm gonna have a relaxing day. But I wanted to make this video really quick for you guys. We gotta talk about SoFi because a lot of people are concerned about SoFi, and instead of me telling you my opinion on it, I want to show you what the experts are saying on SoFi right now. So I'm gonna show you an article, and it's gonna tell you if now is the time to buy or if now is the time to sell. All I ask, guys, is that you drop a like, you subscribe, of course, and don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. But first, I would love to hear your opinion. Let me know down below, do you think SoFi is a buy right now, trading at $7.28? My opinion is yes. I've been making SoFi content every other day for you guys, explain the charts and explain why right now I think it's the perfect setup, and I think SoFi is bottoming on a daily and a weekly time frame. And even if you look at a monthly time frame, there is a lot of room to run. Let's get right into it. This article came out on Yahoo Finance. I like to read Yahoo Finance. I feel like it's the most relevant. I feel like it's the most real as well. So SoFi recently shifted from a hyped up growth stock to a profitable fintech powerhouse, which is a good sign, right? Remember when Palantir was profitable? Well, SoFi is profitable now for 2 earnings. And they are actually crashing down. When Palantir, when they became profitable, they shot up from $9 to $21. Some investors took their gains as SoFi reached its goal of profitability, and SoFi stock is down 30% this year. That is annoying. It's now trading below $7 and close to its lowest levels ever. Is SoFi stock ever going up, or should you avoid it, right? So this is what we need to understand. Let's learn a little bit about SoFi. SoFi is an all-digital financial services app that offers lending, banking, and other services. It gained renown for its easy-to-use interface and low-fee lending products, and it leveraged its popularity to launch a comprehensive financial services business that addresses many consumer pain points. It has become incredibly popular, especially through X and especially through the retail community. A lot of people are into SoFi. They like to use the products, but they also like the stock. It's been very popular with retail, which is sometimes a red flag, but in SoFi's case, I don't think it's necessarily the biggest red flag yet, at least. You can see it has become incredibly popular, resonating with its young, professional, and millennial cohorts. And membership has been soaring. Member count and product count both increased 35% year over year in 2024 first quarter. Here's a nice little picture for you talking about the members, how they have grown, and the products have also increased, which is a good sign, right? If they're getting more members, which means they're collecting fees for those members, there's some type of fee, and the products are also growing, so members are buying those products, more revenue for SoFi. Increase in both membership and products accelerates the overall trajectory, and cross-selling new products also boosts sales at lower cost, lending to profitability. Okay, they've been GAAP profitable the last 2 quarters. This is all good signs. Another thing I will note that I think is very, very positive, even though SoFi stock, is at $7.28. I'm not even concerned with where it's at right now. A lot of people are, but the CEO actually bought the dip also. Took $200,000 out of his own pocket to buy SoFi stock. So I think that is very good. I think that shows that the CEO is all about his company, and he believes in his own company that he's gonna buy his own stock. He doesn't have to do that. He's done this a couple times now. So net income was on its way. SoFi came through when its first quarter positive net income in 2023 fourth quarter, and its stock dropped. That trend continued with a second round of positive net income in the Q1 2024 plus guidance for the third quarter and full year GAAP profitability. What is going on? There are several possible explanations for what seems like a strange reaction to SoFi's excellent performance and indications that it's going to continue. One is that investors built up the price based on the potential. True, I would say that. There's a lot of talk around SoFi and where it should be. Now that SoFi has met its goal, investors are pocketing their gains. SoFi stock gained 116% in 2023. Absolutely incredible, right before the Q4 results were released. So that shows you that SoFi could easily run 100% again. Like $7 to $14, it follows Fibonacci, it follows the trend, what I've been talking about with you guys. Right now, we're just having 2 red quarters, but you have to think about the news. that it's all positive, that they're profitable, revenue's coming in, they're growing as a company with members and products. This is all positive to me. This to me is a solid hold because everything looks good. It's just a couple red days. That's it right now. Another is that as it attains profitability, it's looking more like a typical bank stock. That's the fear right now. And its bank stocks come with lower valuations. Now that doesn't mean that SoFi can't run to $14, okay? It could definitely still run to $14. Consider Ally Bank, which is the top all digital bank in the US, and in many ways a direct competitor with SoFi. Ally stock trades at a significant discount to SoFi. So is the best yet to come. Management is guiding for adjusted net revenue to increase about 15% in the second quarter and 16% for the full year. Well, what if they exceed this, right? If they exceed that, then that would be very, very bullish. The financial services segment is the fastest growing right now, and it's expected to increase 75% year over year in 2024. Also, they offer like 4.6% interest on your bank account, which is not bad, right? It sounds a lot better, and it is a lot better than your Wells Fargo, your Navy Federal, your Chase Bank, whoever you bank with, Bank of America. So I think more people will be attracted to SoFi with what they can offer, okay? So I think they do have a bright future. These are the non-lending services like banking and investing. Financial services, along with the technology platform, accounted for 38% of total revenue in 2023, okay? I don't think that revenue is going anywhere. No one's gonna leave SoFi. I think more people will come into SoFi, which will increase. And management expects that percentage to grow to 50% in 2024. Lending revenue is expected to be at 92 to 95% of 2023 levels, so there could be a slowdown there, okay? Lending is still pressure from a high interest rate climate, although originations in all of its categories, personal, home, and student, have been increasing. So most people are borrowing money still from SoFi with their home and student. Obviously, student loan debt is a big issue right now in our country. Now, this is what you all have been waiting for. Whatever the reason, the plunging price seems extreme. At the current price, the valuation looks reasonable for a stock growing as fast and with as much potential as SoFi. And it might be undervalued right now. SoFi stock below $7 per share is a bargain. And in 5 years, you'll thank yourself for buying it at this price. Guys, in 12 months, you'll thank yourself for buying it at this price. This is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This article is from Yahoo Finance. I don't know who the heck wrote it, but everything they're saying aligns with my beliefs also. And for these reasons, I will hold SoFi. And if it goes under $7 again, I will buy more, okay? Hope you all have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on the next one.